Hi there, I'm Surang from English Win, and today it is Total Immersion. Today I'm going to tell you a story. That story is from Zen Buddhism, chapter of Zen Buddhism. That is about a young guy who was not happy. I'm going to start the story. Once there was a young guy, whatever he does, he finds really difficult, and he was not quite satisfied with his life. So he wanted a sort of a helping hand, and he wanted to find somebody to be his mentor and to give him pieces of advice time to time to be happy. That is the thing that he needs. He wanted to be happy really. So one day somebody told him that there was a Zen monk, wise Zen monk master, in a Zen temple somewhere. So he is really good for that particular thing, that the problems that he is facing, he suggested. And then this guy thought, oh, yeah, I should go and meet a Zen master. And he was in a sort of a very beautiful place, a serene and calm, and on the top of a hill, that his temple was there. So then he thought of going, and one day he started going to meet him. Yeah. So then he went to the Zen temple. And then when approaching, he saw the Zen master. That should be Zen master. He went to the Zen master and said, "Excuse me, sir. I came here to seek your advice." "Why is that, young guy?" He said, "Sir, I'm quite unhappy. Whatever I do, I find they do not work for me. So I'm really unhappy. So I want your advice, guidance. I want you to be my mentor to lead this life in a beautiful way." So man said, the Zen master said, "Okay, you say that you are unhappy." "Yes, sir. Always, yes, always I'm unhappy. I find this life is dreary. It is really a sort of a void space for me. Void is means there is nothing. Void space for me. Void is nothing is there. If a room is void, there is nothing in that room. I feel my life is miserable. I'm unhappy," the guy said. Then Zen master asked him, "Yes, my son, you say that life is not good. Life is not worth living. And your life is dreary and it is monotonous. That is what you say. You are not satisfied and you are not happy. You are unhappy guy. Is that so?" "Yes, sir." Then the master stood up and went away without saying anything. He was puzzled. The guy was puzzled. So I wanted to get a sort of advice. I want a helping hand, but he goes away. Why is that? So then guy thought, oh yeah, that must have been the way of handling situations like that. So I should wait and see. Yeah. Then he was waiting for him. After a couple of minutes, 3, 4 minutes, the priest came back, the Zen master came back with two things in his hand. One is a glass of water, the other one is a bowl of salt. And he came to him and said, "Okay, my son, take a handful of salt from this bowl and put it into the glass of water and mix it." Then what the guy did was, he did the same accordingly as instructed. He took a handful of salt and he put it into the glass and he mixed it. There was a spoon. Ah. Then master wanted him to drink it a bit. "Huh, to drink this one?" he asked. "Yes, my son, you drink it. A bit of it, yeah." So then he took the glass and he had a sip. "Oh, why? What's the problem?" Master asked. So, sir, it's terrible, sir. Oh, I don't like it. It's salty. Oh. And he made faces. Oh, yeah. He made faces. Oh, is it salty? Zen Master asked. Yes, sir. It's too salty. Oh. Then Master said, if it is too salty, shall we do it in a different way? Yes, sir. Take a handful of salt from this. Master said, yes, sir. He took it. And follow me. Then Master started walking, passing the monastery, passing the temple, and he was walking along a road, footpath. And the guy followed him. I had no idea what was happening. And they say walked, it took, I think, 10 minutes. And then they came to a very beautiful place with serenity, serene, beautiful, majestic, calm, quiet, and everything was there. And you had everything there a lake should have. Swans moving, beautiful, and birds flying, some other beautiful animals coming to drink some water to the lake. Elephants, deers, everything. That was something to see. He was observing all these things. Zen Master said, my son. Then he turned towards Zen Master, and Zen Master said, you have sold? Yes, sir, I have. Then put it into the lake, beautiful lake. Huh. He did. Then they talked about different things for 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. Then thereafter, Master said, okay, son, now drink some water from this lake. Oh, okay, sir. He felt that he is going to solve all these problems. Then he bent down and had some water. This time, it was not that different. Then Zen Master asked, how about water? It's okay, sir. Is it quite okay? Yes, sir. It's quite okay. The very beautiful place and water is also really, I like this water. Oh, do you like this water? Yes, I like this water. Very good. Then Zen Master, but the guy, I have a problem. Zen Master said. Guy was really happy. He was a bit of a pandit, yeah. And he thought, yeah, perhaps I would be able to solve this problem. So what is that, sir? Then Zen Master said, oh my son, when you put that handful of salt into that glass and you mixed it and you drank a bit of it, and it was too salt, you made faces and things like that, my son. But now when you put the same amount of salt into this massive lake, gigantic thing, mammoth lake, you say water is good. How can that be? The same amount of salt. Then Kolla said, yes, sir. Yeah. Now the thing is this, it is just like this. Now Kolla is going to teach Zen Master a good lesson. Thing is like this, sir. It is, I don't understand. Again, Zen Master said, no, sir, thing is like this, this, glass was really a small thing. And when I put salt into it and I dissolved it in water, so it was highly concentrated. Concentration is really high. Yeah, you know what concentration is. It was too salty. Little amount of water, good amount of salt. But here, sir, the amount of salt that I put into the lake is the same amount, but it is an iota. It is really a very tiny, tiny, tiny bit when compared with this massive lake. So you have to compare the glass of water and a massive lake. Yeah. Do you understand, sir? This is massive. That was really small. So therefore, when I put the salt into it, it goes here and there. And when I drink water, I cannot feel it. So in modern science, they say that it is lower than your threshold level. You go to see. Yeah, you cannot see. You cannot understand. Yeah. You didn't feel that it is salt. No, sir, no, nothing. That is what I told you. Ah, you say that because this lake is really big, when you put salt, it goes here and there. It is not salty then. That is the reason. Yes, sir. Do you understand, sir? The Zen master said, yes, my son. That is the lesson. My son, now listen to me. Your problems are like salt, amount of salt you had. When you put that salt into a glass of water, it was too salty. It was terrible, as you said. And there, it was not terrible. It was normal. So, the same amount of problem, when you put it into your head, as your head is, your way of thinking is, your experience is, the way you are thinking about this world is really small. Your container is small. Clear. So it is too salty and you cannot bear it. It's terrible. You cannot change the amount of salt. Everybody is facing problems. So the amount of salt comes to you and your neighbor and your friend, your wife or somebody will be the same. But if your content is small, you feel it terrible. What can you do? You cannot, the amount of salt comes to you, the problem comes to you. What you have to do is to expand your container. How can you expand your container? Try to understand that everybody has these problems. Not only myself. Everybody is suffering. Everybody has pain. So, understanding the world, it is an integral part of your life. You cannot, integral part is, you cannot remove it. Happiness, it comes to you. Sorrow, it comes to you. When happiness comes, we become really, really, really happy, jubilant. And sorrow comes, we try to bury ourselves in the ground, thinking that we are dead. No. So, the problem lies with your container. You have to expand the container. So, it would be too heavy to bear, carry, if your container is small. So, what you have to do is to make your mind a lake, then you will be able to handle your problems easily. Do you understand? That's it. If you like these type of stories, so give us a like, press the bell icon, share, and think about notifications on. And when I do videos, it will come to you. And most importantly, comment, say something. If you find that this is helpful, share this to other people. That is what you can do. This is what I can do. Sharing these ideas. It is your duty to share these ideas to other people, your friends or somebody. Try to learn English and try to be good people. Okay, bye.